G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make marshmallow teacups. These are so easy and look so cool. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Just get a small bowl, add some icing sugar, also called confectionery sugar. Doesn't really matter how much. We're not going to need much. 2 or 3 tablespoons should be enough. Then add some water. Just enough so you get a paste. Don't want it to be too runny. And if when you do this you think it's a little bit too runny, just add a little bit more of the icing sugar. Alright, for this what we need are some Tic Toc cookies, Tic Toc biscuits. One side looks like that, it's got a clock on it, and the side's got this, so you want to choose the white and the pink ones. Now get that icing sugar mixture, and we want to put a little dot in the middle of each one. Now you want to get marshmallows, pink and white, and you put the pink on the white. And the white on the pink. Oh yeah. Now with the icing sugar again, put a little dot, that's a bit much, but put a little dot on top of the marshmallows. And you get these little things, in Australia we call these freckles. Put those on top. Now you then want to use lifesavers. Here they're called Musk. They're pink. Just get a sharp knife and cut them in half. Once again you get that icing sugar and you just dab it on this part. And you stick it on the marshmallow. So it's basically, that's the handle. Awesome. Well, I hope you like these. So good. Well, I don't think I'll be eating these because as cool as they are and as yummy as they are, I try to stay away from a lot of junk food, and this goes right to the top of junk food. It also goes right to the top of holy moly, so yummy. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking.